Uba Prestun Tensong, sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela, uba baru ia ketenat PWD Road, haringkat uba Asan Borculai, MLA ke South Shillong Constituency, hakasing sajany, ulah pripet ba ay umonorim nam taban syna, ia kesurok narilbong syadu surok ba Sherpi. Haswaban pli ia umonorim, lapenlong kajinyalang, harilbong puja mandap Shillong. Balayo kajingkran, na uba Prestun Tensong, ubal ay kajinyaro, uba Asan Borculai, dagabapan pau, bau de UMLA uba treshi tombha nam taban wanra ya karoy kapar hapo ka konstituensi hi baro kawe. Uba Asan Borculai pat haba ajing keren syakmat ulai kublay ya kitray jaka kibla syak sengba nam taban syna ya ketika surok kaban ajing mentoy ya upay ba babun. Wairu kajinyaro uba Prestun ubala kloy ban sengap ya gijing pesengau jung u ban mang pisa nam taban syna ya ketika surok. Ha ketika jialang ladan langru UCI ketenat PWD Ubrus Marak, USDO, bak gelanding lengdo, uberi orang bak senong ke Kenchester, Oxford Hill berilbong, kiri orang bak kilong kemi berkikun samla. Ya ketika surok niling rut onchna, haka jinglut ke belamang sau poin lai pesan keluar tingka, lengba ke PWD General State Scheme arajar arpuwe, bala buru katong, baon pendap hapo kikat prabenai. Ya ketika surok onchna, nadu community hall rilbong, syadu ke surok ba Sherpi.
From the government side is when we wanted to provide developmental programs to different parts of the state, the issue that we have here is land. Because the land tenure system in our state is so peculiar. We are always at the mercy of the landowners. I think we all know that. Out of 100 landowners, if one of them does not give land, means the project is stalled. If the project is stalled, once we receive sanction, ultimately we can't keep any longer, then we have to abandon it. It's so painful abandoning these sanctioned projects. So thank you so much, the residents of Texas Street, Oxford. Thank you so much, stakeholders, all concerned stakeholders. I would like to just tell you, I'll make sure that this road is completed well before 18 months. I want to make sure. I've already told Bak Harmundai or STPJD, work day and night. Work order has been issued already, and maybe within 2-3 days time from now, we'll make sure that the contractor starts the work.
Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma, who have given his patient hearing when the proposal has reached the planning department. I discussed with him. I discussed with our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister regarding scheme, and finally they have seen, they have, they know that is a very, very genuine proposal which will cater to the needs of each and every one of us, not only for the resident of Greater Laban area, as stated by our Chief Engineer. This will ease also, this will benefit also the people of the entire Shillong and adjoining areas.